My video guide is about removing the browser notifications that are related to the website Kerbians.click. In fact, these are the notifications that display pretty scary messages. This is what the pop-up says: Security alert, you've visited illegal infected website. You have visited unsafe site with illegal content. Your PC is at risk of being infected by viruses. Of course, this message is pretty scary for many people, so they might think that this is some real security message, and they may click on this scan button, but after this scan button is clicked, there is another imitation of computer checkup, and then customers would be told to download and install some potentially unwanted software. After they start interacting with these pop-ups, they may soon be forwarded to some other junk resources in the internet. Because of that, the computer may be infected with some potentially unwanted programs. Initially, it looks as if the programs that are here are pretty decent, but in reality, later on, customers are brought to some other deceptive websites that display a totally different malicious content, and they promote a totally different software, not the one that was initially advertised. So, speaking about all these pop-ups, do not interact with them and do not trust their deceitful messages. These pop-ups, by the way, may be the result of some adware enabled in your computer. So you need to carefully check the list of the programs, and if you find anything suspicious on the list, get rid of it. Now, to make sure that your computer is free of any other hidden threats, we do recommend researching your device with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your system in order to detect and delete other threats fully from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.